Hi Kinder Cubs! We are back in action with 2 new letters in our Journey from A to Z book. We have been reading this book and having so much fun, and we are getting near the end of the alphabet. Today we're going to work on letters S and T. S and T are our letters of the day. All right, Kinder Cubs, we won't go through this again, but you know we have a cover. And you know we have a title page, and you know we have a table of contents. So let's move ahead to letter S. I know it's going to be in the second half of the book. Here it is, letter S. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what we have for letter S. And an S makes the sound It kind of reminds me of the sound a snake would make when it's hissing. Even an S looks a little bit like a snake's body, doesn't it? Okay, the first picture I see is an animal. What is that? Yeah, I heard someone say it. It's a seal. Seal. Okay, this is a food we eat. It's made of lettuce as the main ingredient. It's got some tomatoes, some croutons, some cheese shreds. Yeah, that's right, it's a salad. Salad begins with the letter S. Okay, this is something we put on our food to season it. Yeah, it's salt, isn't it? Salt begins with an S. And then our last picture on this page, we eat sometimes for lunch. It's a sandwich. Good job. Sandwich begins with an S. Okay, so for letter S, we found seal, salad, salt, and sandwich. Let's see what we have for letter T. T. All right, that's the sound of T. 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 And I like to make a T, and when I do the sound like this, T. 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 Try it. T. 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 Okay, guys, this is an animal that lives in the wild. It's a tiger. T. T. Tiger. All right, a tiger has stripes. Sometimes kindergartners get a tiger and a lion mixed up because they're both big wild cats. And one way to remember is that a tiger has stripes and a lion does not. Tiger. All right. Now this is a symbol where you can find one of these. It's called a telephone. Telephone. Yeah, telephone. A lot of you probably aren't familiar with phones that look like this, but this is how all phones used to look. And this is something we make, put our bread in to get it warm and crunchy and toasty. It is called a toaster, Kinder Cubs. It's called a toaster. All of these words start with the letter T. Let's read them one more time. Tiger, telephone, toaster. Great job. You ready to play our game? You guys are getting really good at this game. All right, guys. I'm going to show you some letters, or some pictures, I'm sorry, and you tell me which letter that picture begins with, either S or T. Okay, here we go. Salt. Salt. What do you think? S or T? Yeah, it does start with an S. Salt begins with an S. These are all toys. 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 Yeah, very good. They begin with a T, don't they? Toys. All right. You wear these on your feet. They are sandals. Sandals. What letter does sandals begin with? What do you think? Good job. Sandals start with an S. Okay. This little boy is playing in a what? In a sandbox. Yeah. Sandbox. Yeah. S. It makes that snake sound. Sandbox. Good job. We eat one. We do. We eat a sandwich. Sandwich. Hear that? Yeah, we made that snake sound again. That's the letter S. Sandwich. Let's put it over here. Okay. Now this is bread, but it has been browned and toasted, so it is now called toast. 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 Yeah, it's a T. Very good. T for toast. I love this number. Do you guys remember what this number is called? It's a 10, isn't it? It's a 10. 10. What letter does that start with? Starts with a T. Excellent, guys. Wow. Let's look at what we found. We have found for the letter S, sandwich, salt, sandals, sandbox. For the letter T, we found toys, toast, and 10. I bet you guys can think of some more words that start with the letters S and T, can't you? I bet you can. I want you guys to try to think of at least one more word that starts with an S and one more word that starts with a T, and draw them for me in your remote learning journals, okay? I can't wait to see them. Bye.